Nose Blackheads Removal Deep Pore Cleaning Transformation, Satisfying Results, Clogged Pores, Visible Blackheads, Rough Texture, all in one place, the nose. Today's treatment, Nose Blackheads Removal, with Deep Pore Cleaning Transformation. Simple process, clear result. The core problem, blackheads form when pores are filled, oil, dirt, dead skin, all trapped inside. Why it matters: when pores stay clogged, skin looks uneven, texture becomes rough, clarity is lost. Step 1, Clean Start. Surface oil is removed, the skin is prepared. Step 2, Open pores. Steam softens the buildup, pores become ready. Step 3, Extraction. Pressure is applied, blackheads begin to release. Step 4, Deep Cleaning. More pores are cleared, the surface starts to change. Step 5, Clean Finish. All pores are cleaned, texture becomes smooth. Step 6, Calm Skin. The skin is soothed, redness reduces. Final transformation, before, clogged pores, after, clean skin, visible difference. Final message, clean pores, clear skin, simple. If you enjoyed this nose blackheads removal, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. For more deep pore cleaning and satisfying skincare transformations, stay connected.